Bob, we really heated things up yesterday, and today it's going to be warm, but the clouds are going to keep us from
really heating up. Yeah, I think that's going to drop our temperatures down about 5 degrees. The clouds moving in later on this afternoon. It advances some weather changes coming our way, which leads us to our weather headlines. We cover them bullet point by bullet point here. Clouds move in today. Bullet point number 2, wet tomorrow. Cooler and breezy too tomorrow, and then a decent but cool weekend. We have introduced, however, a slight chance of showers on both Saturday and Sunday. Again, that's just a slight chance. We're expecting another disturbance to move in, but this one will be quite a bit weaker, have less of an effect on our weather. Stanley has dipped down into the 20s like I thought they would, 28 degrees, and McCall now into the 30s. Along with Baker City. 48 degrees in Ontario. Boise at 59 degrees. Some of these locations could dip down maybe another degree or 2 before sunrise. That's normally when we see our coolest temperatures, just before sunrise. 80 degrees. Our high today, 7 degrees above normal, and the overnight low on the mild side for tomorrow morning because the clouds will move in. We'll have a fairly warm day today. Then the clouds move in, tucking us in with some cloud cover, keeping us from seeing some radiational cooling. So that's why tomorrow morning's low will be fairly mild despite the changes coming our way. Got a nice plume of moisture trained on Central California. Big trough of low pressure out here just off the west coast. Embedded in that is this low pressure system. That is Thursday's storm. That's going to track to the northeast and affect us with some weather. Clouds moving in, moving further to the north. According to our futurecast, here's the timing. That's just before 3 o'clock. Clouds start to increase, then really cloud up by the evening hours, and then by tomorrow morning, possibly some showers. And then with some heating of the day, possibly some isolated thunderstorms favoring locations east of Boise. Here's a little closer look, our tight, high-resolution futurecast as we zoom on in here. Here's what we can expect for Boise. There's our stopping point right there at 3:30. Clouds start to increase right around the afternoon hours and really cloud up into the overnight hours, possibly even some isolated showers as early as the early morning hours on Thursday. And then we have some actual rain in Boise on Thursday morning, then maybe a break in the middle of the day, and then possibly some showers with thunderstorms developing in the late afternoon, early evening hours, and then winding down as we head into Friday. Saturday still looking pretty good. As far as future rainfall, well, most of our mountain locations will be picking up the most, like McCall, 3,300 possible, maybe just over 1/4 of an inch for Stanley. Mainly light amounts of precip down here in the valley expected. So here's what we're looking at as far as our forecast. Increase in clouds, Twin Falls high about 79 degrees. For Sun Valley, a high of 74 degrees. And for McCall and Cascade, your daytime highs in the mid to upper 70s. So increasing clouds for today, cooler and breezy, unsettled for your Thursday. Slight chance of showers Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, otherwise partly cloudy, and temperatures fairly seasonable, pretty close to normal, which is 73, and we'll be pretty close to that most of those days after tomorrow's cool temperatures. That's legal weather.